This video will help you to get rid of pop-up windows that come from the website Nareasingh.space. Nareasingh.space. It's a malicious website and its mission is to actually infect your browser. It tries to infect the browser with the feature of excessive push notifications. The pop-up indicates that you need to tap the Allow button to continue. In reality, clicking on the Allow button is a very serious mistake that would hijack the browser, and this means you would start seeing a lot of strange ads that will be popping up randomly and attacking your screen randomly. If the Allow button was clicked, the browser gets hijacked, as I said before. Now you need to fix the issue right now. This can be done by going to the menu, clicking on Settings, then Site Settings and Notifications. You need to pay careful attention to the Allow section. So this is the place where some of the decent sites can be and some sites are not decent. You may find some of these pages related to Google. You should not touch them. But if you find some other suspicious pages here, you need to click on the respective button and remove them. You may also get rid of sites that are malicious from the block area. After this has been done, I recommend that you perform the additional checkup of your Mac with Combo Cleaner, the reliable antivirus for Mac. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. After the program is successfully downloaded, wait until it updates the antivirus database. Then click on Start Combo Scan and the free research and analysis of your Mac will begin. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The program has performed the free research of Mac computer and at the end of scan some threats were found. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. This is the detailed report about the location of each specific threat in your Mac. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you its exact location in Finder. After that, you may remove each specific threat manually, so one threat at a time. And this is the free way to remove threats manually from your Mac computer. Of course, you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threats automatically.